In this video, I am going to show you how you can use a plugin called dashboard.nvim to get this dashboard whenever you open only Vim without specifying a file. So let's install it. Copy this part here, install, and then go to your plugins /init.lua file, then use, and then we can paste it here, and then we can do packer sync to install the plugin. And now it has been installed. Now if I do only V, which will open nvim like this, we can see this dashboard here, and we can see this ASCII art, and then these options here, and then this bottom line. Now I'll show you how to customize all of this. So first let's open find file. There is one error because by default dashboard.nvim uses vim clap, so we have to change it to telescope also. So init.lua, and then let's create one file called dashboard-config /init.lua. Now that has been created. We can set our default executive, dashboard default executive, to telescope, and this is a vim global. To define vim globals in lua, we can do vim.g.dashboard dashboard default executive equals telescope. Okay, now it should use telescope, but first we also need to require this dashboard config here, and now it should use this thing, telescope. So now let's go to find file, and it is using telescope. Now let's go to our dashboard-config again, and let's change the ASCII art because it just says dashboard on that. You can make it, you can leave it like that, but I like to change my ASCII art. So they have given some example ASCII arts here in the wiki, and then let's go to our ASCII header text, and let's use this one, this transformers one. Okay, but this is in Vim script, so we are going to have to change it to Lua. So let's change this to vim.g.custom header curly brackets, this also curly brackets. Let's delete the backslash at the end, and then we have to write a macro to change all the quotes and backslashes to only double square brackets. So QQ F backslash, and let's do R opening square brackets, L R opening square brackets, and then $H R closing square brackets, A closing square brackets, J. Now let's do 0 at Q, 0 at Q. Now everything has been changed to double square brackets. Now let's restart Neovim, and now we can see this beautiful ASCII art. And now let's change this section, and also this have fun with Neovim part. So this section, it is called dashboard custom section. So we can change that by using a global called dashboard custom section only. So dashboard config vim.g.dashboard custom section equals, in square brackets, I'm going to copy paste one config here. So I already have it, it's a little bit long, so I don't want to type it, otherwise the video will be too long. And let's change this to edit home/.config/nvim/init.lua, and here we have all these find files which will open telescope and do find files, and then search text will do live grep, recent files will do old files, and config will just open the home/.config/nvim/init.lua file. Okay, Now let's restart, and we can see here this find file is there, recent file is there, search text and config. So let's open find files and do dashboard config, because we also want to change that have fun with Neovim part. So let's replace it with the Unix philosophy. So I'll do vim.g.dashboard custom footer equals do one thing, do it well, and that is the Unix philosophy. Okay, now it is there here. Okay, it is still have fun with Neovim. So let's see what the problem is. Dashboard command, it's not dashboard command, it is custom footer. Okay, now it should be there. Do one thing, do it well. Now I'll just decrease the font size so we can see the whole thing at once. Yes, we have this ASCII art, and also this section has been customized, and we also have this Unix philosophy every time we open Neovim without any specific file. So that's it for dashboard. And if you learned something new from this video, subscribe to my channel and also like the video. If something did not work or you want to suggest some new videos, then tell me in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.